Hello, Kevin here with Frame My TV, the maker of Deco TV Frames. We're happy to do a follow-up unboxing video on the Samsung Frame TV. Last year we did the 2021, now we've got the 2022. We'll show you what's new coming up. So if you like what you see in the video here today, be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us on Instagram at Deco TV Frames for a lot more great content about Samsung the Frame. So in the box, we've got everything we've come to expect from Samsung the Frame. We have the One Connect box, we have the slim wall mount, we also have the clear fiber One Connect cord, as well as the new remote, which is now white. All right, so first of all, we got the One Connect box. Now, if you're not familiar with Samsung the Frame, it's really a unique TV that's different than any other TV on the market because there's this one box that has all of the connections on the back of it. And this is where you have your HDMIs, you have your Ethernet, your coax, there's also even an X-Link port. You could connect USB thumb drives to it. But it's exactly the same as last year's model, so the dimensions would all be the same. One of the things that's really cool about the One Connect box is it provides the audio, video, and power via this one clear cord from the TV to the One Connect box, and your power plugs in here. So everything, all the brains of your TV over here, you can put it in a cabinet, and that one cord is all that runs to your TV. Great if you live in an apartment, so you don't have to run the cords through the wall and things of that nature. Just so you know, there is an in-wall rated version of the One Connect cord that you can get separate from Samsung if you are planning on putting the cable in the wall. Now looking at the remote, obviously, now it's white versus the prior years it was black, but it also does have a IR and it has USB-C charging on the bottom. But one thing that's really unique about it, not only does it have a solar panel on the back, but Samsung has introduced a new RF harvesting technology where it can, not from the solar panel, but it can pick up Wi-Fi signals and harness that into power to power the remote. Really, really incredible. Samsung is planning to be able to save 99 million AAA batteries from going into landfills over the next 7 years through this new technology. Some pretty cool stuff, very innovative, so nicely done by Samsung. Now let's take a look at the wall mount. In case you're not familiar with Samsung the Frame, they do include the wall mount with the TV. So it's a super slim wall mount for getting the TV right tight to the wall. Now, look at this. Samsung learned from feedback last year. They now include a paper template. Thank you, Samsung. That was definitely a shortcoming last year, but we'll forget about that. It's in the past. All the rest of your installation templates. So with this, there's 3 parts to the wall mount. There are the 2 plates that are going to attach to the back side of the TV, just like this here. All right, so now we have the wall hangers attached on the back of the TV. I want to make one small note here. A fine-tune adjustment they made is once you put this hanger on the hook on the wall, it'll snap loose and then you can adjust it back and forth to be able to adjust the piece of art or the frame on the wall, just like a regular piece of art on a wire. All right, so now out with the old, in with the new. We're gonna get rid of the 2021 Frame TV, replace it with the 2022. But first, we gotta take the Deco TV frame off. So the process is there's just some simple latches on the bottom. The frame comes right off. And then you can see right here how everything works. So one of the nice things you can do is you can set it up using smartphone or remote control the conventional way. But the even better thing I like is with the Samsung SmartThings app, if you do the smartphone, you could just scan the QR code just like this, and then you can easily add that frame right into your account. It opens the SmartThings app, and you can add it real easily. So now we have both TVs in art mode, and we have them with matching pieces of art and matching frames, of course, so that all things are created equal. On this side here, we have the 2022, and on the other side, we have the 2021. The difference is incredible. In fact, we're in a really hot set. We have big stage lights on right now, so you can see the difference of this lighting, the same light on both sides, is hitting this, and you can see the glare up in this area. So now let's take a closer look at the 2022. We can really see that matte finish right up here. As you look really closely here at the new matte display, you'll notice that it's extremely smooth. There's no reflection, there's no glare to it. There's not much of a texture like actual canvas, but it does feel a little bit velvety to the touch. It's really, really nice finish and believable truly as art. In terms of sound comparison, the 2022 Samsung frame now has true Dolby Atmos with 40 watts and 2 separate speaker systems. So instead of what used to be just a 2-channel, it's actually now a 4-channel. Giving you a much more rich, full-life audio. They also now have a new Q Symphony that will work in conjunction with the Samsung soundbar so that the speakers in the TV work with the soundbar so you get all the sound all at the same time, giving you a better audio experience. And we're also really excited to announce that this year at CES, Samsung featured our new Deco Gold frame line of 22 karat gold frames in the booth at Samsung. Now, in case you're not familiar with our Deco TV frames, we offer a variety of about 50 different frame styles now. They magnetically assemble in our Premier collection, or they also have clips in our Alloy collection, and then the Deco Gold collection arrive fully assembled as a finished corner frame with no joints in the corners. Now, for this year's lineup, Samsung the frame is available in a full range of sizes from 32 all the way up to an 85-inch. Those are 32, 43, 50-inch, 55, 65, 75, and now a massive 85-inch screen size. Something else we were really excited to see at CES is their new auto-rotating wall mount. It's a motorized wall mount that can be added to any of the Samsung frame TVs as an optional accessory. As soon as we can get our hands on one of those, be assured we'll be doing a follow-up video on that. We are proud to be an authorized Samsung dealer, actually one of the largest Samsung dealers in all of the Northeast. So check out our website. You can get the best prices on the TV. We'll ship it right to you and get you the frame to go with it so you have a complete package. So to wrap it up for the 2022 frame TV, Samsung, they hit the ball out of the park this year. It really looks like a piece of art, especially when you add one of our frames. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also follow us on Instagram at Deco TV Frames for more great information on Samsung the frame.